Hello everyone, I am Vinu Sanjay and my teammates are Sujit and Prakash Kumar. Our project is SFS AI Patient Health Monitoring. Why we are choosing this project is based on the problem statement that many elder people are also paralyzed patients and for people who can't able to move from their bed also. So this is the basic core idea. And why we have implemented gestures based on this is we can also implement AI using this, and so that why we have used gestures. Why we use AI is mostly upcoming and in an innovative way we have used this in our project. What AI algorithm we use is CNN algorithm. What is CNN? CNN is convolutional neural network. It is basically a deep learning algorithm, and that is used to apply in our project.
The above image shows about the abstract of a system as it mainly focuses on bringing gestures with patients monitoring system in an innovative way. Like we have used Python programming language and image processing to identify the gestures shown by the patients for their basic needs to control their appliances. Let me tell about the system requirements involved in our project. Basically, the main part of the hardware system is Node MCU. It acts as the microcontroller. From that only, it gives connection to all other components, which is light, a DC fan, an LCD display to show what it needs, and a speaker, and a text to voice module, and a relay. And the software requirements are Python programming compiler, and the APIs used are MediaPipe and TensorFlow, and the algorithm which we used is based on CNN algorithm.
By using this algorithm, we have implemented a new methodology other than the existing system. In existing system, it is mainly based on only using this without AI implementation, and it is very basic model. So in our model, by using gestures, we can able to control all the appliances by the patients who are in bed rest, and also for elderly people, it is very helpful and useful. So like that way, we have implemented Python programming, and using image processing and computer vision we have implemented this, and so technically we can say that enabling both software and hardware with the computer model we can use this system.
My name is Vijit. Let me tell about the block diagram. In this block diagram, we are using Node MCU, Wi-Fi module, relay, and RAM. Like Node MCU means Node MCU is very reliable and it is open source firmware, and it is used for Node MCU is reliable and easily connected with the embedded software. It is better than all the means. It is have inbuilt Wi-Fi and it is connected with.
This is the working of our project. As you can see that whenever I show the gestures, it able to detect the gesture movement and shows whatever we need, like light on or fan on. With each gestures, it able to detect and gives us the required output with the following gestures. So this is our basically our project and how it detects and gives us the picture is the hardware of our project, where you can see all the components connected with which I mentioned before in the video. So this is our hardware of the project.
I am Prakash Kumar. My teammates explained about the why project is done in a way of gesture based for patient health monitoring, and another teammate said about the hardware mentality, and I am explaining about the uniqueness and innovations, also how it is helpful to our society. First of all, we talk about the uniqueness. AI driven because rather than machine learning, it uses the deep learning.